Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're going to take a walk around a Kia Soul recent trade-in. This is a titanium urban edition of the Soul. It was built in 2016. We have a couple, one in brown and one in this beautiful gray titanium here at West Coast Kia. Just want you to see that there's different fender flarings and chrome pieces underneath the vehicle at the bottom. Nice two-tone alloy wheels, a different fog light setup. Little spoiler at the bottom of the bumper cover. Really nice vehicle. It has the full panorama glass roof. Hope you can see that there. I just rinsed off some dust so you'd see the vehicle in a little bit more of a shine. It is a pretty vehicle. It has metallic paint, so even though it's wet, it does shine that well even when it's dry. Just take a look at that when you're walking around with me. High definition headlamps, so the signals are in the mirrors. It's a repeater. It is a push button start vehicle with touch door lock and unlock, which is nice. Again, there's that shine. Has Sirius satellite radio, does have a backup camera. Again, it has that beautiful spoiler on the back lid, which is unusual for the Kia Soul. Nice dark tinted windows. We're at 19950 Lougheed Highway, just here at the border of Maple Ridge and Pitt Meadows. There's your backup camera there. It does have LED tail lamps, so if I was to apply the brake, it's very bright. Runs on regular fuel. Kia Souls are known for their easy steering and parking. 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, so that's nice. A lot of room in the back there for your feet and water bottle locations. Nice leather interior with an armrest there for your guests in the rear. There's that sunroof. It is a full panorama, so all the way to the back passengers there is light coming in. Just have a look at the inside. Anti-vandal folding mirrors. When you lock up at night, they fold automatically. Auto front windows. Auto down, auto up. Heated steering wheel in leather. Tilt telescopic, and a jack seat for height. Take a look at this. I think it's a really nice vehicle. Dim down mirror, control panels for your sunroof. Just give it a quick start so you can see that. A nice little backup camera just to assist you. Still have to look behind you, but you can get that help. It has 51,246,000 kilometers. Sounds nice. Bluetooth, cruise control. Lots of really good things in the Kia Souls. That's why so many people are buying them. Come on down to West Coast Kia here in Pitt Meadows, Maple Ridge. Let's maybe see if we can do a deal on this beautiful titanium urban edition Soul for 2016. Thanks for watching my video.